what's going on, guys? Here back with another video, and I just look at a little kitty right there. And today we're going to be talking about Klombo. So I am sick, so ignore the grunting. But yeah, we're going to be talking about Klombo. So Klombo is a dinosaur. And even Klomberries give you legendary loot or whatever. And I think you can drop a crown to him. Yeah, so yeah, I just love Klombo and all that stuff. I really do. So yeah, let's talk about Klombo. So I'm pretty sure Klombo was released season 1, chapter 4, maybe. I don't know, because I haven't thought. I mean, I play Fortnite. I haven't played it in a while, but yeah, that's Klombo. So sorry for sorry that's disturbing. Okay, so let's get into talking about Klombo. So to kill Klombo, if you subscribe to him, don't unsubscribe to him because it's scars with a Z. So yeah, always respect Klombo. Always, no matter what you do, no matter what you have, respect Klombo, or else he will kill you. Please don't demonetize me, YouTube. I don't have any money. I just started. So, yeah, that's Klombo. And as always, remember, guys, he needs some milk. Goodbye.